This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, and I'm down here at our Jackson store. Today we have got a brand new 2025 Peterbilt 567 with a cable roll-off hoist on it. It's a 60,000 pound Galfab Pioneer tarp. Truck has got a 20,000 pound steer axle with the 415 floater tires on the front. Got 46,000 pound Hendrickson Hallmax suspension on the rears with 11R 22.5s, 410 gears. It's got the full steel liner in the frame. Truck is also equipped with diff locks in the forward and rear differential. Got our stainless visor up top. Let's take a look under the hood. Here we've got our PACCAR MX-13, 455 horse with 1,650 foot-pounds of torque. Behind that, we've got our Allison 4500 series automatic transmission. Air ride seats, driver and passenger side. Extra gauges in the dash. Multi-function steering wheel. Pre-wired for a CB radio. This truck is in stock, on the lot, and ready to go to work. Give me a call, 706-372-4698. Let's put this truck to work for you.